Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Wallet and finding the specific rewards pass. This is where removal begins. Once you see it, tap to bring it into full view and make sure you can authenticate, Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, because Wallet requires confirmation for changes. Don't waste time in settings first, act on the card itself. If it's a stack of passes, swipe to the exact one, then pause and press to reveal options so you can proceed to the next, actionable step. Once the pass is visible, either tap the three-dot menu or long press to expose the pass options. This is where the remove action lives. Scroll through those options until you reach the bottom and choose Remove Pass. This deletes the pass from Wallet, not any unrelated accounts. When prompted, confirm deletion. Wallet will ask for authentication if needed. After confirmation, the pass is gone from your device. Make sure to watch for any extra prompts from the card issuer before you finish. After you confirm removal, double-check Wallet to ensure the rewards card no longer appears. If you still see it or the remove button wasn't available, go to the card issuer's app or website and unlink the pass there. Some merchants manage passes externally. If removal still fails, restart your device and make sure iOS is up to date. Sometimes a pending sync blocks deletion. As a last resort, sign out of iCloud temporarily or contact the issuer for a server-side, unlink to force removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.